Hindi ko alam actually kasi for that you have to ask Attorney Lawrence Arroyo. Siya yung abogado with respect to that, siya yung handling counsel sa Sandigan Bayan. So I think Attorney Arroyo is there waiting for the order.
Pero you're hoping na mailalabas po si CGMA within today?
Dapat lang because there is a saying that justice delayed is justice denied. It's been running on 3 days already na wala pa yung official service ng order.
Sir, papasok ba kayo ngayon dito? O papunta kayo, dadalaw po kayo?
Hindi, nakadalaw na ako kanina. Dinala ko lang kayo ng foods.
Kamusta po?
Kamusta po yung mood ni former president?
Yung?
Kamusta po ang kanyang mood?
Siyempre, she's upbeat and she's eager to work. First item on her agenda is to visit her constituents in Pampanga.
But sabi po kanina ni Ika Aubet, she plans to go to the hospital, magpa-check up po sa kanyang doctor if she's released today. Is that true, sir?
Oo naman, siyempre. Titignan natin kung anong talagang state of the health niya, kung pwede siyang, how hard she can work. Because she's really eager to work kasi sabi niya, ang tagal daw na-deprive ng personal touch niya yung constituents niya.
Kamusta po yung health niya?
Any sentiment dun sa delay na nangyayari?
Well, of course, hindi namin gusto ito for whatever reason kasi since this involves the personal freedom of an individual, dapat mabilis naman talaga to. At saka nawala yung immediately executory nature nung noong order
Sir, sa tingin niyo may the former president, how is she taking this?
Well, alam niyo naman, she's a person of strong faith. She's taking it in stride. Mas mainipin pa nga yata kami mga abogado kaysa sa kanya. She's fine with it I mean, she's not fine with it, but she's patiently waiting.
So, sa tingin niyo may nangiipit ng papel sa Korte Suprema?
I don't want to conjecture. Sana naman wala kasi sobra naman 'yon. Well, I would not want to attribute that kind of attitude to our judiciary. Siguro naman it's being processed as expeditiously as possible. Sana.
Sir, napag-usapan po ba if the former president will attend the SONA on Monday?
Hindi namin napag-usapan Ang gusto lang niya talagang gawin first item on her agenda is to work harder. Kasi yun nga, ang kanyang work nung siya is while under detention is constrained by the limits on her activities kasi nakakulong nga siya.
Sir, yung sa ombudsman,
Hindi ako nakakasiguro. I think Attorney Arroyo should be more authoritative on that. Ako, all I can offer are my prayers at saka our moral support to our president.
So yung ombudsman nag-plan na mag-file ng isa pang slander case versus CGMA. May action po ba siya regarding this?
Wala siyang reaksyon Para sa amin, prerogative yun ng ombudsman